Sini beskagam nama unsur ini hari আজকে এই মহতি অনুষ্ঠানের উদ্বোধক
to us. Today we celebrate Teachers' Day because our former president had insisted that his birthday should be celebrated, marking the excellence of teachers all around the world. I bow down to all the teachers here. Thank you very much for serving the nation. In spite of all inconvenience, hardships and hurdles, you people have never failed to do your duty. I'm very thankful for that. Let me speak frankly. Today I am being called here as the chief guest, which I myself, it's personal, that I don't prefer or I should not consider as a chief guest. Why I am saying this? Because when we celebrate Teachers' Day, it will be much privilege if we call many scholars who are retired, assistant professors, professors and all who are retired. When they give speech, it's not like us politicians giving speech. They can inspire us a lot. See, we politicians, we give a speech in certain boundary. But when a scholar, when a retired person from some good institution, when they give a speech or give their words in front of us, the whole program is mesmerizing.